This men's hair trimmer and hair clipper can be used with or without the power cord, so they do give you that wireless performance, which is easier to manipulate without a cord hanging out of it, but it's compatible either way. I like having the option. The company did send me these in exchange for this video. Look at the box this comes in. This is an awesome display box. Here's a quick unboxing. It did have the protective cellophane on there for safety. I removed that already. The box has the magnetic open, which is a super nice feature. And look at this display. So nice. It comes with a barber's cape, scissors, 2 USB charging cables, oil bottle, trimmer cleaning brush, comb, you'll have a total of 4 trimmer guards from 1.5, 2, 3, and 4 millimeters. And you'll have a total of 6 trimmer guards, everything from a tiny 1/8 to a massive 3/4 inch. You'll have the easy to understand readout, tells you how much power you have and other important information. You have the guard adjuster knob here, easy for one-hand application. When there is a 100% charge, you can get approximately 3.5 hours of use. That's a lot of battery life. The metal components are made out of carbon steel. Small one is the beard trimmer. Here's a nice feature. With the trimmer on, if you press and hold the on button for 2 seconds, you get some lights. These lights are ideal to highlight the area that you're shaving. I like those little extra touches. Overall, this is a great clipper and trimmer, and with the nice display case, it would make a great gift as well.